Are you thinking of buying, selling or investing in Blackpool? Well, these 2025 figures might surprise you, and they could cost you thousands if you ignore them. So let's start with what actually happened in Blackpool in 2025. A total of 3,728 properties were put up for sale. Out of those, 2,323 properties sold at an average asking price of £137,000. That means if you put your home on the market anywhere on the Fylde Coast in 2025, you had roughly a 68% chance of selling. But here's the important part. If you decided to sell with Tiger, your chance of selling jumped to 84%. The average property price in Blackpool jumped from £130,000 in 2024 to £137,000 in 2025. That's an increase of £7,000, and most homeowners didn't even realise they'd made it. Would you have expected Blackpool prices to rise like that? Now, Blackpool is still very affordable when you compare it to the North West average of £217,000 or the UK national average of £271,000. That's exactly why buyers and investors are still looking here. So what is the price breakdown per property type? Here's what people actually paid on average per property in 2025. On average for a detached home's £238,000, for a semi-detached property £161,000, a terraced house £120,000, and flats and maisonettes £77,000. That spread shows there's still an entry point for every type of buyer. Rents increased in 2025. The average rent in Blackpool rose from £641 to £684 per month. That's £43 more per month for tenants, £516 more per year for landlords. Not huge jumps, but steady, sustainable growth, which is exactly what long-term investors are looking for. Here's where timing really matters. First-time buyers paid an average of £128,000 in 2025 compared to £120,000 in 2024. That's £8,000 more just for waiting a year. Home movers saw the same pattern. £145,000 in 2024, £153,000 in 2025. So the lesson is simple. Don't wait, get buying now. If you're a home mover, an investor or a first-time buyer, the numbers are showing that delaying decisions is costing people real money.